Hello, this screencast is presenting the topic of utilizing graphics software tools for developing course content. There are challenges for educators using graphics and animation software, such as the learning curve is very steep, may be overwhelming for some teachers to implement this type of technology. It will require a lot of creativity and initiative. It may also require programming, scripting, or other coding, which is not a skill that all educators have. Some advantages to using animation software for educational purposes is that it is aligned with STEM education. It can be used to teach design strategies, which are very important to today's workplace. Increasing options for student interactivity. So as content is developed in an interactive manner, students can benefit from that. It potentially meets employers' expectations, provides e-learning support, which we see as kind of a necessity today with all the mobile devices that our students use. Takes advantage of visual learning and also can be used to gamify educational experiences. It supports the ISTE standards for teachers, as you can see here. There is a myriad of options available for animation software. I'm going to examine the particular one called Unity, which is a highly customizable tool for anyone to use, and educators can use it to develop content once they've learned it. So to utilize graphics and multimedia content development software, there are many implications for both educators and students. Educators, by using innovative techniques and processes to develop engaging content, can inspire students to model their learning in kind. It facilitates and inspires student learning and creativity. Today's young students learn in a context in the digital literacies represented by utilizing software to construct their learning experience. It can also be used to support project-based education. It enables group-oriented learning through visual and animated digital content involving collaborative activities. Here's an example of an educational technology tool called Unity 3D, which can be used to develop course content. The particular example shows a simulated environment, which is typical of the type of content that can be developed using this type of software. There are many other types of software or examples of this software category that instructors may choose. It's a very fragmented industry right now, having so many different options, and regarding the educators needing to select and make choices about what they're going to use. There's potential multidisciplinary educational uses of animation and computer graphics software. So in areas such as art, business, cinematography, computer science and engineering, creative writing, and in math and other STEM areas, as well as music. When we integrate multimedia and animation into our courses, it supports both traditional literacies and soft skills, in addition to the digital literacies that we really want our students to acquire. So the traditional literacies, collaboration, critical thinking, logical thinking, multiple modes of communication, problem solving, and project management are very important. It also promotes other digital literacies, connecting and collaborating, analyzing information, using modern devices, technology tools, using technology strategically. Here are some examples. The Fold It puzzle game allows for students to visualize complex systems. Here's another one that expands out to the macro environment where astronomy can be simulated using the SOL system. And finally, another type of application that can be developed using this educational technology is the Martha Madison game, which engages girls in STEM learning and careers. Thank you very much for viewing my presentation.